Okay guys, I'm a bit late for an important date. I'm waiting for my Uber. Guys! Yan o, Uber boat. Uber times. Woo! Mag-alas 4 na. Ganito palagi dito. Oh guys, ito Chanel natin, of course, di ba? Pero syempre, sawan na tayo sa Chanel. Ito. Floraiku. No, French ito, pero dito, hindi ako nakaka-review, no? Pero medyo matagal-tagal na din, no? Floraiku, kilala kasi natin itong nagbibenta dito, eh, no? No, kababayan natin to. Ayan, no? Guys, meet Ange. You love perfumes, Ange? Where should they go?
Come here to Harrods. Floraicu's the
Alright.
Got to come here. Got to come here.
You have to come here, no? Ano na to eh, lumaki na sa UK to eh. Kami ni Ange, ano yan, kababayan yan, no? So, I was asking Ange, Tagalogin ko na ha, tinanong ko kay Ange kanina, ano ba yung pwede sa Pilipinas? Ang maganda dito guys, kasi exclusive eh. Ayan no, tingnan mo, halimbawa to, What a Day, Floraiku. Dito lang merong yan, may Harrods oh, na design. No? So, Floraiku, I'm not so much, meron akong mga pabango na binigay sa akin na gifts before, no? Pero, Ange, para sa atin, in the Philippines, where we have just 2 seasons, wet and dry, what would you recommend?
I would recommend our bestseller,
Alright. Kinabahan si Ange. Kinabahan.
Sand and Skin. It's got Vanilla Absolute,
Alright.
Benzoin Essence, and Lang Lang.
Oh guys, yan ang sinasabi ko, benzoin. No? Ito kasi, dito na lumaki yan eh, kaya lang no? In Philippines, you call it ilang-ilang. Now, she'll be spraying it on my skin. Ange, please, do the honors. No, for our Kilaris. Okay? Kilaris pa daw, pasosi ako, ha? Yan, pag fresh! Ayan talaga yung DNA eh, na hinahabol nila eh. No, guys, pasensya dito ako sa ano, pero sasabihin ko may Sauvage pa rin. Ito, that has been in the market for how many years already, Ange?
Like 3.
3 years. Bago. It's unisex.
Yeah.
It is unisex. But it's marketed for men.
For men.
Very unique. But I'm waiting for the dry down before we pass judgment. Pagma. Smells very sweet. Sweet. Give me more adjectives, man.
I'm not really that into perfume, so
Unique.
it's very floral.
So ito guys. Sand and Skin. Yeah, that one caught my eye. Boyish. I feel like a boy. Hello. So this one is the number 1.
Number 1, definitely, yeah.
Sand and Skin. Ilang-ilang. Vanilla and benzoin. I've discussed that already, diba? Benzoin. Chemical na yan. So they have it here, Sand and Skin. Is it EDP or Eau de Toilette?
EDP.
It's EDP. How much is it? Ange?
Over 50%.
No, I mean, how much is it?
Oh, how much is 275 pounds?
275 pounds. Oh guys, pwede na ha. Floraiku kasi floral. Japanese inspired. So, haiku. It's like a poem. No? It's a short? Like a poem?
A poem. Haiku
Yeah.
is a Japanese traditional poetry. So each fragrance has its own.
Let's show the haiku at the back.
So here it is.
Yan ang haiku. Nung high school kami, yan may mga haiku ginagawa. Haiku Melendez. Okay, back. Sand and Skin. Ayan. So Japanese inspired siya. Guys.
You got a cute design on the right. And then here, you get the 50 milliliter bottle plus a lid. And with this, you can take this 10 milliliter bottle, like travel size, you can put it in here. And these are the lids that you use.
We look for Ange. Visit Floraiku. Here in Harrods, actually, it will greet you as the first look. When you go up. No? Ito si Kuya dito sa may Floraiku nagsasabing, basta na sa budget, let's review it. Love me, hate me, but never forget me. Say hi!
Hi!
Subscribe! Ayan na, nakasakay na ako guys. Ganyan. Yan lang, no? So credit card mo, kaya debit card mo. Pak, 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 tap mo lang. Punta ka na sa destination agad. Yan dapat. Dapat mala James Bond. Punta tayo sa office ng MI6. Pakita ko sa inyo. Kaya magagalit mga boss ko dyan eh. Ito si Kuya dito, andito sa London, dito sa Tube, na nagsasabing basta na sa budget, let's review it. Love me, but never forget. Subscribe. Parang sa Pilipinas, inahan ko silang lahat. Yan. Kasama ng training ko lagi yan. Yan. Madami kasi well, hindi ganoon ka-complex ang ano niya eh, ang railway station niya, no? Ang station dito, yung lines, no? Pero no. Madaling intindihan. What's the term? Intuitive siya. Kaya color-coded, di ba? May dark blue, may black. So maghihintay rin kami dito. Okay ba? Ang kadami. Yes. Oh guys, ito ang Tower Bridge sa gabi. Yan. Ang ganda, di ba? And that's the London Tower. Yan ang London Tower. Tayo sa Tower Bridge. Guys, ang ganda, di ba? Ayan ang Tower Bridge by night. Ayun. Pagod naman ako. Grabe. Woo! Pero kailangan ko abutin yan eh. Tower Bridge, no? Ito sa kuya dito, andito sa may London, no? Nakikita yung Tower Bridge, tapos London Tower. Nagsasabing basta na sa budget, let's review it. Love me, hate me, but never forget me. Subscribe.